Behold COVID-19. Behold coronavirus. The vicious virus. A silent killer. Listen to the voice of reason. People choose life and not death. Life is precious. No one is immune from death and disease. Let reason and wisdom prevail. Health and hygiene is paramount. Cleanliness is godliness. The road to safety has no escalators. Nations are in danger. The world is in danger, engulfed by a lethal killer, a global pandemic, coronavirus, a silent killer. From China to Canada, America to London, Iran to India, Italy to Spain, Egypt to Nigeria, South Africa to Zimbabwe. Sanitize, save lives, and stay at home. Keep the distance. Stop the spread. Say yes to quarantine. Wash your hands. Identify symptoms. Become the eyes and the ears of the nation. Lawbreakers are a danger to society. They undermine authority. Lawbreakers are joy killers and patriotic. Obey the law. Never allow the devil to rent a space in your mind. Obey the law. People say no to chemical weapons. Say no to loss of life. Say no to manipulation. People say no to radiation. This season of pain and sorrow shall come to pass. This horrible era of pain and tears shall come to pass. No storm is permanent. There is no storm that is permanent. Death remains a mystery, a thief. Death strikes when least expected. The return to our place of origin is preordained. May the soul of the faithful departed rest in eternal peace. Good memories will never die. Good memories will never die. Africa is under siege because isikelela Africa. Every problem has an expiry date. The sun shall rise again. The human spirit triumphs. Prayer is a potent weapon. The people shall rise again. The sun shall rise again. People rise beyond coronavirus. Rise beyond death and disease. Rise beyond challenges. Rise beyond excruciating pain. People rise beyond human imagination. African leaders have spoken. World leaders have spoken. South Africans, heed the clarion call. The leaders have spoken. MEC of Health Madoda Sambata has spoken. Premier Prof. Jof Muhoro has spoken. Minister of Health Dr. Zweli Mkhize has spoken. President Cyril Ramaphosa has spoken. Love thy neighbor as thyself. Love thy fellow citizen as thyself. Become patriotic. That was the voice of reason. That was the voice of reason. That was the voice of reason. Reason. Reason.